Let's take a look at this example. This time we have given two sides. We're supposed to find side B and we're supposed to find the angles alpha and angle beta. If you have a right triangle and two sides are given, you're supposed to find the third side by using the Pythagorean theorem. So we have a square plus b square is equal c square. I'm looking for b. So what I'm supposed to do, I have to move a square to the right side of my formula. And I'm going to have b square is equal c square minus a square. You're supposed to square root both sides of the formula in order to find b. So I have b equals square root c square minus a square. This is equal square root, open parenthesis, and I have c equals 35 meters. It's to be raised to second power minus a, which is equal 16 meters. Of course, we have to raise this to the second power too. Close parenthesis. This is equal 31.12 meters. This is the length of my side B, which is adjacent to angle alpha. Next, we're supposed to find angle alpha. In order to find angle alpha, we're supposed to use trigonometric functions because we have already three sides, okay, the lengths of three sides. We can use either function. I'm going to use, for example, sine alpha. So I have formula first, sine alpha equals a over c. In order to find angle alpha, I'm supposed to find arc of sine. So I have to write alpha is equal arc sine or inverse sine a over c. Next, you're supposed to plug in the numbers. You have to substitute the variables by the given values, and we have inverse sine, and we have a 16 meters over c, which is equal 35 meters. Meters and meters will cancel out, and simply use the calculator, type inverse sine, open parenthesis, don't forget about the parenthesis, 16 divided by 35, close parenthesis, and you're supposed to get the answer 27.2 degrees. This is my value of angle alpha. Next, if you want to find angle beta, you're supposed to remember that the sum of angle alpha and beta is equal 90 degrees. So if you want to find beta, you're supposed to simply subtract from 90 degrees angle alpha. And we have 90 degrees minus 27.2 degrees. This is equal 62.8 degrees. Okay, so we have three sides, okay, the length of the three sides of the triangle, and we found angle alpha and angle beta, so we can say that the problem is solved.